It's been nearly 20 years since digital photography has been accepted into the Olympic Games. And the United States of America remains the unsurpassed champions of the world, defeating those smelly Bosnians year after year after year after year after year after
Those
year.
American sons of bitch will going down.
What do you mean, honey?
I will go to US of A and find the photographer's secret weapon. Then Bosnia will be number one.
Oh, can you pick me up some blue jeans and Coca-Cola from US of A?
Year after year after year after year.
Honey? Honey? Hello? Did you hear me?
After year after year after year after year. I sure do hate Bosnians. Doesn't everybody hate Bosnians? I do.
US of A, you are going down.
One. Hello? Melanie? What do you mean you died in a car fire? You were our best photographer.
What? We needed her. The games are in less than a week. What are we gonna do?
Hello, I'm George Washington, average American boy. I grew up in Boston and I enjoy baseball, hot dogs, socialism. I'm number one photographer. I will replace murdered teammate.
No one said she was murdered.
Oh, look at time. Sex on the City on the TV box. I must watch now.
I like him.
You guys realize he just walked into a closet?
Boy, that Samantha sure make me laugh.
Are you kidding me? Everyone knows Charlotte's the funniest one.
You guys, we're getting off track. Let's see if George has what it takes to be on our team. I'm gonna go ahead and set up this C-stand. Okay, this thing looks heavy.
Daniel. Why don't you let a real man do this, all right? All right? Ashley, you wanna just... So after Ashley sets up the C-stand,
We must execute her, yes?
What? No.
Where I'm from, if women try to do nice job, we execute.
I thought you were from Boston.
Yes, I'm from Boston. Rough city.
Yeah, it sounds like it. Anyway, this is the C-stand, our secret weapon.
Secret weapon?
Yep, secret weapon. That's how we win every year to those smelly Bosnians.
Can you show me how to work C-stand?
Oh, it's easy. Just watch this instructional DVD. Come on. God fucking damn it. Oh, shit. Son of a bitch. God damn it.
Hi, I'm Matthew C. Stand, owner and inventor of the Matthew C. Stand, or as it's less commonly known, the Century Stand. When I first invented the C. Stand, its main purpose wasn't to hold up photography equipment or lights, but rather to hold coats, hence the name C. Stand. Of course, with its rotund metal body and unnecessary knobs and arms, people were uninterested in the product. But when the photography industry received word of my extremely bulky and inefficient coat stand, they started producing them by the thousands. And now I'm going to show all of you amateur photographers out there how to use the C-stand both efficiently and effectively. Step 1. Turn the body of the C-stand upside down. Then, loosen the knob. Then, turn the legs in the same direction until they lock into place. Tighten the knob to keep the legs in place. Step 2. Place the knuckle on top of the C-stand. Step 3. Locate the largest hole in the knuckle. Insert the arm into the groove of the knuckle and tighten the friction knob. Step 4. The arm must sit with the side that you're going to keep the lights on the right side of the friction knob. That way, if the light starts to fall, it will tighten the knuckle rather than loosen it, preventing your equipment from falling on the ground. Step 5. Use a sandbag to stabilize the C-stand. Put the sandbag on the highest leg of the C-stand for the most support. Step 6. Raise the C-stand by starting with the top section first, otherwise you will not be able to reach the other section's knobs as they will be raised as well. Step 7. The C-stand's legs are all different heights so that multiple stands can easily be placed directly next to each other. This could be useful if you don't have any gobo arms and you want to use one stand to hold a light and another one to hold a diffuser right in front of it. Let's review. Open the legs as far as they will go. Locate the largest hole. Insert arm. Make sure that the arm is placed correctly on the knuckle so that gravity tightens the friction knob. For heavier items, make sure to use a sandbag. The C-stand can be used to hold a variety of things, but is especially useful with gels, scrims, and other lighting equipment. This concludes our video demonstration on how to use the C-stand. Tune in next time and I'll show you how to make carbonated mayonnaise.
Where you going with that coat rack, Jerry?
Oh, I must go water my cat.
Hey man, what's going on?